Hello friends, this is Ernest. Today I am going to talk about VPNBook and OpenVPN. So this is a VPN that I've been using it, you know, uh, to keep myself safe online. So, but what is it used for? What is the importance of VPN? The importance for VPN is when you are performing any transaction activities on the internet. So you have to it create a tunnel that keeps your data encrypted, right, which protect your sensitive information from hackers and criminals. So it basically it enhances your privacy and security by keeping your data encrypted, you know. So also it helps that nobody is able to sniff your data by making it unreadable, you know, to anyone who might intercept it. So this protects sensitive information as password, financial details, and personal data. So that is the importance. So it also helps to hide your true IP address and location, you know. So a VPN helps protect you from cyber threat like DDoS attack and identity theft, just to mention the few. There are so many things that can be of benefit if you are using a VPN. So I will put the links to this page on the tutorial. So vpnbook.com/freevpn, etc., to get to this page, and then when you get here you click on free VPN, right? You click here and then you scroll down here. Here you have the bundles. These bundles are configuration files, right? I'm in US, so I'm going to take one of these, and these are the domain. These are some of the VPN domain. You have US, Canada, Germany, etc. So if you see here, you have the username and the password given to you. What happens is the username will not change, but this password will be changing from time to time, which will mean that you will always want to look for the latest password if your VPN happen to lock you out. Okay, so this is why here you download any of these one, depending on where you are located, right? You click there to download. I already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download again. And then this one, you click here, download.msi, to download this one. This is what you're gonna install. And then the other one is for your configuration file. So that is how it's gonna work. Now that you know where to download, let's come to my download folder here. See, this is the configuration file. So this is the VPN here. I will double click there to install it, and this is the configuration file that I already unzip here. Okay, good. You click next, go through the agreement, and then install. Okay, so let's wait for it to install. Now it's done. Okay, now that it's done, this pop-up comes up. Go through and then click on agree. So here is asking for the domain, that's the URL or the domain, right? Which is what I was showing you here. If you're dealing with this one, that's what you will go and put there, but I'm dealing with this one, so I will come here and upload the configuration file, browse to the location. Since I know that TCP port 80 is vulnerable to internet activity. I'm going to take that so that the VPN will help to protect any site that have that kind of activity. The username doesn't change, so it's just VPNBook, but the password is what will change from time to time. So let me paste that here. That's the password right there, and I say connect. Now I have a VPN. You can see here, you see that this, I didn't show you my IP address because I don't want to show you that, but this is the private IP here. This is just a virtual environment. Yeah, that's a virtual environment IP address, and this is the disguised IP address, that what the public will see, right? And then TCP protocol, of course, we know that connection oriented, right? So the upload speed and the download speed, those are some of the stuff that you see here. So you can see the traffic, a beautiful graph here, the connection. Okay, so now if we want this little arrow here, you can click there. This is your VPN, and you can see it says OpenVPN connect is connected. So if you want to turn it off, you just right click and disconnect. Now see that it's disconnected. Now you want to reconnect, you simply come and click here, right click, take connect. So it's gonna remember the password because I save it, and now it's connected and everything looks good. So let's experiment something. What is my IP address? Let's see if this will open something here. So you see, say this is my IP address. If I click here to look at where I am, let me see. So where are we? Hillsboro, Oregon. That's where it's saying that I am, but that's not where I am. Okay, so that proves the point that it helps to give you a new IP address and make you undetected by attackers. Okay, so that is uh, open VPN that you can use to keep yourself safe online. I've come to an end of this tutorial. We talked about the importance of using VPN to secure your online activities. We talk about how VPN can keep you safe from sniffers. It can keep you safe, disguise your position and location from many things, your financial data and all the like. You have to take the responsibility of keeping yourself safe online. And I'll be seeing you in my next tutorial. Until then, thank you very much. Like and comment, and I will expect to hear what you think about this. Thank you so much. Bye bye now.